Welcome to Pro Tool Reviews. What I want to show you today is Grabo's new High Flow lifting tool. Let's open this box, take a look, and see how it does. So this is the Grabo Pro, and just to give you a little heads up on what this model is, these go for between $250 to $300. It does come with a proprietary battery system. It does come with only one battery, a charger, a tool case, and the tool does come with some extra filters, but what you see is what you get. It does have a foam seal around the edge of it that is pretty thick, pretty sturdy, I guess I'd say. Not easy to compress. But to operate this tool, it does have a LCD screen on the front of it, tells you battery level, tells you the pressure we're at, can change the pressures. And I'm just gonna show you quickly with this tool. I'm gonna use it right hand, so the green button means go, green means go, right? And I'm gonna attempt to suck up or vacuum itself to this piece of paper. And as you can see, it doesn't suction at all. It doesn't suck itself up to this paper at all. Again, it's too porous, so it won't do that. And in this same light, I also have the DeWalt here. So this is the DeWalt Grabo. And these are related. For those of you that are on the DeWalt platform, this might be your choice just because it uses a common battery. And again, this is really just showing you that it won't pick up this paver, and I'll show you that now. And again, you can see that it doesn't have the suction force to be able to vacuum itself down to this paver. So this is where the new High Flow comes in. Now these two tools will work on things like porcelain tile, ceramic tile. We use it on sheet metal and materials like that that are solid without too much porosity. These will suction themselves to it. But let me show you what happens with the High Flow. So again, this is the 300 by 300 base, which is roughly 12 inches by 12 inches. Activate the tool, simply pull the trigger. This tool isn't quiet though. If you notice, the other tools are pretty quiet. This one's a little noisier, but look how fast it suctions. You can see the whole tool just suction itself down to that block. So with this tool though, you have to keep your finger on the trigger. As soon as you take your finger off the trigger, it loses vacuum and will lose its suction. So one thing to note with that. So you definitely got to hold your finger on the trigger while you're using the tool. And again, even on the remote handle, you got to keep your finger on the button. I do want to show you though, it does have yet bigger capabilities. Bear with me just a moment. So there you have it. There's a much larger paver, thicker, larger in size, no issue suctioning to this and being able to pick it up. And this is a very porous paver. The other Grabos would not suction to. So another thing with the Grabo, as I was looking through these and trying to figure out specs and things like that, the materials that can suction to vary greatly depending on how porous they are. So, you know, this is very porous. Things that are not porous, again, tile, metal sheet goods and things like that, you can get a higher suction, which also means that you can carry higher capacities. And it varies greatly. Just to give you an idea, depending on also if it's perpendicular or parallel hold, you know, here's perpendicular, here's parallel, depending on how you're picking things up will also vary on its carrying capabilities. But it says here, ceramic tile. So these are very non-porous, non-porous materials. So glass, ceramic tile, metal, up to 375 pounds in a perpendicular hold. But when we get to woods, only 222, rough slate, so natural stone, about 176 pounds, rough concrete, 176, drywall, again, it's paper on there, it is porous, 165. So your porosity does make a difference on how much the carrying capacity is. So I don't want to declare like, oh, this is the ultimate tool for picking things up, because it varies on the material and the substrate. But what tool's right for you? And you know, that's a question of the type of work that you're doing. If you are doing primarily tile and working with ceramic and porcelain tiles, probably one of these two models would work for you. The other thing that's consideration as well is battery type. You know, both of these, the Grabos, use proprietary batteries to their platform only, and if you're already integrated into maybe say DeWalt, well, this one's already using the batteries you're familiar with, so that might be a good choice for you. And it's also a cost consideration as well. So, you know, these two tools, you're gonna find these online. They vary between $250 to $300. This guy, on the other hand, though, with the kit in the form you see it here, with the T-handle, the extra foam base, the two batteries, all of that you saw here, it goes for $599. So it's about double what you're gonna spend on one of these tools, which, you know, are adequate for their intended purposes. So this tool is available at grabo.com online, and also some links to some retailers around the country that will also sell these and stock these. They do come with a 1-year warranty. I am curious, do you use a suction lifting type tool like this? If you do, drop me a comment below. I'd be curious to know also what you're thinking between the DeWalt and the Grabo brands, what your thoughts on those, so leave me a comment. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and as always, thanks for watching.